Hello everyone, I made Mazapan Gelatin, and Mazapan is a Mexican candy that's made out of peanuts. They're crushed and pressed into powder. And this right here are little molds that I'm going to use to decorate the gelatin. Right here I have 1 cup of water and I'm using 5 of the gelatin envelopes. I'm mixing that really well and then I'm setting it aside. Then I'm putting in 2 cans of evaporated milk, 2 cans of the crema media, and this is found in the Hispanic aisles in most markets. Then I'm using half a can of the condensed milk because I don't want it to be too sweet, because I'm also using 8 mazapanes in the mixture. So the gelatin that I had dissolved goes in the microwave for a few seconds and goes into that mixture. So I'm going to do this in 2 batches because it was too much for the blender. So in goes the first batch. I blend that. I grease the pan a little bit. This is avocado oil and it's tasteless. In goes the first one. Then the second one. I put it to refrigerate overnight. The next day, I bring it out and I help it unmold from the sides of the pan. Once that happens, then I turn it, lift the pan very carefully, and there you have it. Then the little molds that I had made with the regular jello, I'm using it to decorate. I also used a foam cup. I cut it to the size and I put it in the middle just for the sake of decorating. I crushed some mazapan and sprinkled that all around. Then I put a mazapan in a toothpick, the toothpick in the foam cup that I had put in the middle, and there it is. It's very good. It's creamy. Leave it in your refrigerator because it is gelatin. It will melt. So you serve it cold. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.